Welcome to Math Challenge 538. In Math Challenge 538, you are given a yellow circle inside a sector. Right? AB is the arc and P is the center. So they form a sector, an arc bound by two radii, and the radius of the arc PA, PB, 15 units. PA is the radius, PB is the radius of the arc, 15 units. And you have got the yellow circle with center O. And if you join PO, PO will make 30 degrees, angle of 30 degrees with PA and PB. The angle made by PO is 30 degrees with PA and also 30 degrees with PB. O is the center of the yellow circle, and you have to find the radius of the yellow circle. You have to find the radius of the yellow circle. Math challenge for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. Math challenge 538. Let us find the radius of the yellow circle. Now you can see the animation PA, PQ and PB, and each of them should be 15 units because PA is radius, PB is radius, PQ is also radius. Radius PA equal to radius PQ equal to radius PB. So PQ is 15 units in length. See the animation, the animated lines, the red animated lines. PA is a radius 15 units, PB is a radius 15 units, so PQ is also the radius 15 units. So PQ is 15 units in length because PQ is equal to PA equal to PB equal to radius of the arc. So PQ is 15 units in length. Now look at the blinking lines red and blue. The total PQ is 15 units. From P to Q, the total, the radius of the arc 15 units. And the blue line is R, that is the radius of the yellow circle. The total PQ is 15 units, that is the red line plus blue line. And the blinking blue line is R, radius of the yellow circle. So, PO, from P to O, it should be 15 minus R. The total is 15 and OQ is R. So the remaining part PO will be 15 minus R. Right? The total 15. The blinking blue line is R. Radius R of the yellow circle. So the blinking red line PO should be 15 minus R. So PO equal to 15 minus R. Now join OR. The center O of the circle. Join it with the point of contact of the tangent, join OR. Radius OR is perpendicular to tangent PB. Radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Radius is always perpendicular to tangent. So radius OR is perpendicular to tangent. So we get a right angle triangle. See the blinking right angle triangle. You get the right angle triangle where the angle is 30 degree. The altitude is R and the hypotenuse 15 minus R. PO we calculated 15 minus R, that is the hypotenuse. OR, the altitude is R, that is the radius of the yellow circle, and the angle is 30 degrees. So you get a right angle triangle. See the blinking right angle triangle. Altitude OR is radius R and PO equal to 15 minus R and the opposite angle is 30 degrees. The right angle triangle you can see because radius is always perpendicular to tangent. So we always get a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, OR equal to R and hypotenuse PO equal to 15 minus R and the angle 30 degrees. So in the blinking right angle triangle, altitude by hypotenuse. Altitude by hypotenuse that will be sine of 30 degrees. So OR by PO. OR, which is equal to R, that is the radius of the yellow circle. PO, which is equal to 15 minus R. So R divided by 15 minus R, that is the height divided by hypotenuse, is sine 30, sine of 30 degrees, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the value for sine 30. Sine 30 1 by 2, that is altitude by hypotenuse. So R divided by 15 minus R is 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. 2R equal to 15 minus R. 3R equal to 15. So R equal to 5. Right? If you cross multiply, 2R equal to 15 minus R. So minus R will come this side. So 2R plus R, 3R. 3R equal to 15. So R equal to 5. So the required radius is 5 units. The required radius is 5 units. We are taking altitude R divided by hypotenuse 15 minus R equal to sine of 30 degrees, which is 1 by 2. So R by 15 minus R is 1 by 2. R equal to 5. So the required radius is 5 units in length. Math is where beauty, logic and simplicity converge into a passion. So follow our channel, subscribe to our channel, share our videos and like our videos, and also comment if you need any special problem to be solved. Write to us. We have a free weekly online class for students all over the world. We shall meet again with more interesting math videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.